Today I'm going to show you how to use Mendeley to manage your reference. So you may be wondering, how am I going to manage my reference when you are writing your assignments, presentations, work, whatever. So as long as you are writing something that needs reference, I'm going to show you how to do it here step by step. So the first thing that you need is to create an account on Mendeley. So this is the home page that comes out first. So as a new first-time user, you need to create an account on this red button. So you need to create an account. So as for me, I already have an existing account. I do not need to create an account. So I will sign in. Right corner there is search library and your name. So you click on library. This one the library will display all the documents that are available in your library. So if you're a first-time user, this page will be blank. But if you already have some materials in your account, then they will be displayed here. But what you need now, after you have created an account, what you need is a desktop reference manager. So for you select this Mendeley desktop installers. On Mendeley desktop installers, there are various options depending on the operating system of your computer. So I recommend you that you go for the one that is recommended for your computer, for your system. So after you have downloaded and installed this one, the details that you have used to log in to create an account, you use them to log in again in your Mendeley desktop. So you go on your Mendeley desktop, you sign in. After signing in, this page will come out. So on this page, you'll find it's divided into 3 columns: the left, middle, and on the far right. So what is it that is being displayed here? Since your account is empty, now we need to add the documents so that we are able to use them. We need to use them on your site. Top left, there is File, Edit, View, Tools, and Help. You go on Tools. There is Install Web Importer and Install MS Word plugin. Now mine is saying uninstall because I've already installed the MS Word plugin. I can uninstall it now. And now I can't because I have a page that is running open. So I need to close it. Now I can uninstall. It says uninstalled. So yours is saying Install Web Importer, Install MS Word plugins. So without the MS Word plugin, you won't be able to do citation. You need to install. So you click Tools and then Install. This is the notification. Citation plugin Microsoft Word installed. Then you are good to go here. So how do we add documents in our library? Again, on the top left of your screen, you'll find where it says Add. Just below File and Editing, there's an icon Add. If you press it, it will take you straight to your computer storage. You know where your documents are, either download or documents, wherever they are. Just select any document that you want and then it will be added in your library. So I can either double click or you press once and then say open. It will go into your library. Once it is added in your library, now these 3 columns will show you the details of the documents that you have uploaded. In the middle of the screen, there's a faint blue color. It highlights the document that is selected for now, and then on the right side it shows the details of the document that is selected. So you need to pay attention on the details, notes, and comments. Okay, the most important aspect is details. So here under details, we have the document type. What type of a document is it that we have uploaded? So the system determines that this type of document that I have uploaded is a journal article. So there are various types of materials. It can be a book section, a case, a film, a journal article, a newspaper, a magazine, a web page, etc. So if you confirm that this is a journal article, it's fine. So how do you verify these things? In the middle of your screen, there is an icon, a PDF icon, red in color. You press it, and then your document will open up. So you will be verifying this document against what is displayed in the main screen. So the next thing is the document title. Is it the correct one? The fundamental links between climate change and marine plastic pollution. That is the title of the article. Yes, it's fine. The next thing is to confirm authors. Who are the authors? So the authors are displayed starting with the surname. You must note that here you start with the surname and then first name, middle name, and the likes. So the first author in the sequential order, that's how they are displayed. So it's Ford, comma, Helen, space, V. So you need to be careful here when you are editing them manually. Make sure the spellings are correct. You put space where you're supposed to put space, and full stop where you're supposed to put full stop. But if it is, in this case, it is just automatically filled in the information, I'm just confirming if this information is correct. If it is fine, then I leave it like that. The next thing is to confirm the journal, the name of the journal. This one, what is the name of the journal? It's Science of the Total Environment. Is it? Yes, it's okay. And then the next thing, it's confirm year to 2022. Yes, volume 806. It's fine. And then pages. That's it. So it already picked the abstract. So some other documents may not have abstract. So this one may, at times it will be blank. Doesn't matter. And then if you want, you can add the URL or DOI, so it automatically fills in these details. But what is important, you can end up on page number. It's fine. So whatever details that you have added here, there's no save button. It's automatically saved. There's no need for you to add how am I going to save. Just leave it like that. It's already saved. So you cancel to cancel the displayed page. On top of it, there's a red X. Just click it. It will take you back to the home screen. So now we have documents in our library. How are we going to use them in Word? So you open your Word document, blank document. So on your Word document, there is file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, and the likes. So you will be using reference under references. That's where all your citation will be taking place. So you need to click reference. So when you click reference, there are two icons of Mendeley: insert citation and open Mendeley in red color. So I want you to see the difference now when I uninstalled the MS plugin. So I'm going to uninstall these plugins. If I uninstall plugins, this insert citation and open Mendeley icons will disappear. So I need to close my document first, and then I go back on uninstall. I've uninstalled. I open my document. Yes, references. Now there is no Mendeley icon under references. So it means I can't do, yes, I've downloaded the Mendeley, I have it in my computer, but I can't do referencing because I don't have the plugins. So that is why I was saying you need to install the Word plugin. So now they are installed. I go back again on my document. It's installed. So references. Now let's start. So you are writing whatever you are writing, your lines of argument. Let's say, what is your name? Right, this is your line of argument. What is your name? Who said what is your name? You want to put the author of this argument, and you click insert citation. When you click insert citation, there's a pop-up window that comes out. So it's highlighted in blue. On that blue space, you have an option to use any keyword that you still remember about the document that you want to use that you want to cite. So it can be either the author, the title of the document, or the year in which it was published. So just use any option. So below it there is my library. What is my library? You are searching under my library. So there is also option for external library. So for us, we are searching in my library, the one that we have created, the one that we are using now. So if you can't remember any of the keywords, you have an option to go to Mendeley, and then you can browse. You can see which document do you want to. I want this one, the first one of Ford. So I remember it's Ford. Which year it was published? 2022. So I can choose Ford, or the title, the fundamental links. So it's still the same thing. So I go back on Word. Insert citation. I still remember that the author is Ford. So it gives you all the documents with the author Ford. So in my case, I have two documents written by Ford. So I need to verify which one is the correct one. So it's I opt for the second one. It's fine. I pick it, then I say okay. So the next thing, now you see, it may take time saying formatting and the like, and then all your details will come out. Now you may want to use more than one author to emphasize your point. Suppose you have another argument, my name is blah 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 blah, and then, for instance, let's say my name is John. Who said my name is John? So there are more than two authors that concurred about my name is John. Who are they? We do the same thing in set citation. We pick the author. We still remember Ford. Let's use Ford again for 2020, and then we have another Ford for 2022, and then we have another one. Then we have another one. So on this list, on this window now, you see that there are a list of documents. You have said, now I've selected the reference. It says reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the like. So there are 4 documents that I have selected that are emphasizing the same point. My name is John. Then I click OK. So now it will show you all the documents that you have selected. Now the issue is on the referencing style. You may find that this one is saying it's Ford et al, but there is no year. The same again, it's Cite et al, Ford et al, Chapunga et al, came in United Nations Global Compact and KPMG, but there's no year. What do we need to do here? We need to change the reference style. There are different styles that we use for citing. You can maybe want to use APA, you want to use Harvard, you want to use IE, you want to use Nature, etc. So it's you who knows what style you want. So where do you get that style? We are still under that tab of reference. Then you select under style, there's an option style. If you click it, it will display the available styles in your available styles in the list. So I can choose armor. If I select armor, it will also change. Like now, it's now using numbers. So armor, it also works the same as I'm sure it works as the same as Nature. They just use the same method. I don't want armor. I want to use APA. That's American Psychological Association. If I use it, then it will change again. So and the like. That's how you select it. So maybe in the event that the style that you want is not displayed here, what do? You click on more styles. It will take you into desktop and option. Another window open up displaying the available styles. So you see that there is installed, get more style, abbreviation, and about. So these are the available installed citation styles. So if it is not here, you will get more styles. Then you search the style that you want and then you install. After that, okay, let's go back here to the installed style. I select Cite them right 12, and then I use this style selected and then done. I go back again and then it will change. So that's how you do in-text citation. Now you are done with writing. You need to compile your reference list of all the documents that you have used. So make sure you are on the right position to put your reference list. So normally this is your last page, right? We are under references. You go again on your reference tab. Now on top, there is undo, refresh, insert bibliograph, open Mendeley. Now for you to put your reference list, you go on, you just tap insert bibliography. You click it once. Once you click it, all the documents that you have selected will be listed here. So most of us will struggle on where to put the comma, where to put full stop, and the like. So now here there's no need to worry because the system will do it for you. And then also it can happen that all the references that you have used for in-text citation, when you compare the manual, you may miss one or two documents. So this one is there to help you that you don't miss any reference. So this is how you add your reference list. So also if you change your referencing style, your reference list also will be also changing. Suppose I'm using Harvard. Harvard will also change. Suppose I'm using AMA will also change. So it depends on the referencing style that you are using and that you want. So this is how you go about when you are doing in-text citation using Mendeley. So I hope guys this video is going to help you a lot. In case you are new on my page, please subscribe so that you promote this page, and also you'll be notified when I posted new video like this. Thank you.